Imagine a tunnel in space that could link distant galaxies, or even different points in time. The very idea seems like science fiction. Yet wormholes are a legitimate prediction of Einstein's general relativity equations. These hypothetical structures are shortcuts through the fabric of spacetime that, if stable and traversable, could allow instantaneous travel across vast cosmic distances or even make time travel theoretically possible in Einstein's view. Space and time are not separate dimensions but a single four-dimensional continuum that bends and stretches under the influence of mass and energy. When mass is concentrated or energy is extreme, the fabric can warp in ways that theoretically create tunnels connecting to separate regions of spacetime. This concept challenges our understanding of distance, duration, and causality, offering a glimpse into a universe far stranger than everyday experience suggests. The first type of wormhole is the Schwarzschild wormhole, also called an Einstein-Rosen bridge, named after the physicists Carl Schwarzschild and Albert Einstein, who first described it in 1935. This type connects to black holes in theory and illustrates the geometry of spacetime in extreme conditions. However, Schwarzschild wormholes are non-traversable because they collapse instantly, meaning anything attempting to pass through would be crushed by gravitational forces. The Schwarzschild solution provided a foundation for understanding how spacetime can be warped by mass, inspiring later theoretical models of wormholes that could be stable and even traversable. Physicists quickly realized that stabilizing a wormhole would require some form of exotic matter, a material with negative energy density that produces repulsive gravitational effects. The requirement of exotic matter highlights the extreme challenges of practical wormhole travel, but it also opens fascinating questions about the limits of physics and the hidden possibilities of the universe. Traversable wormholes, proposed later by Kip Thorne and colleagues, offer a more optimistic theoretical possibility. Unlike the type, these wormholes could remain open long enough for matter to pass safely through. Their structure requires regions of negative energy to counteract the enormous gravitational forces that would otherwise collapse the tunnel. The idea of negative energy might seem like science fiction, but tiny quantum fluctuations producing negative energy have been observed, providing at least a glimmer of feasibility for stabilizing such structures. However, the amount of negative energy required to keep a wormhole open is astronomical, far beyond anything achievable with current technology or natural phenomena in known space. Even so, studying traversable wormholes pushes scientists to explore the properties of negative energy, exotic matter, and the extreme limits of general relativity. Kerr wormholes, associated with rotating black holes, introduce another fascinating dimension. 2. The concept rotating black holes, or Kerr black holes, create a frame-dragging effect where spacetime itself twists around the spinning mass. This rotation could, in theory, allow a path through the event horizon that avoids the singularity, creating a dynamic tunnel that connects different regions of spacetime. These Kerr wormholes could, hypothetically, link not only distant spatial locations, but also different temporal coordinates, offering a theoretical pathway for time travel. However, approaching a rotating black hole involves extreme tidal forces and gravitational stresses that would destroy ordinary matter without unknown technologies or manipulations of spacetime, highlighting the enormous physical challenges involved. Time travel enters the discussion when considering relativistic effects on wormholes. If one mouth of a traversable wormhole is accelerated to near light speed or placed in a strong gravitational field, time dilation effects can create a discrepancy in the passage of time between the two ends. Someone entering the wormhole could emerge at a point in the past or future relative to outside observers. This theoretical framework, while mathematically plausible, raises classic paradoxes such as the grandfather paradox, where altering past events could prevent one's own existence. Physicists continue to debate whether causality would be preserved naturally through mechanisms ensuring consistent timelines, or whether unknown physics would be required to prevent logical contradictions. The study of these paradoxes pushes the boundaries of understanding time, causality, and the very structure of reality. Quantum wormholes, theorized at the Planck scale, are microscopic tunnels that form briefly due to quantum fluctuations in the vacuum of space-time. Although these quantum wormholes are far too small for human travel, they provide crucial insights into quantum gravity and the fundamental nature of time. They suggest that the fabric of the universe is not smooth at the smallest scales, but frothy and dynamic, with tiny tunnels appearing and disappearing continuously. Understanding these phenomena could eventually help unify general relativity with quantum mechanics, solving one of the deepest puzzles in modern physics. Observationally detecting wormholes is immensely challenging. Scientists look for indirect evidence such as unusual gravitational lensing, anomalous motions of stars, or distortions in light paths that could indicate massive non-luminous objects acting as bridges across space-time. Some proposals suggest that exotic radiation signatures or strange energy distributions might reveal naturally occurring wormholes in the cosmos, although none have been confirmed. These studies advance our understanding of the universe's structure and push observational astronomy to explore phenomena that are theoretically predicted but extremely subtle in practice. Energy requirements for traversable wormholes remain staggering. Even hypothetical scenarios demand negative energy, far exceeding anything achievable with current science. Yet, this does not diminish the value of studying them. On the contrary, wormhole research provides insights into the behavior of exotic matter, quantum effects near black holes, and the limits of Einstein's equations. Physicists use these models to explore faster-than-light communication, potential interstellar travel, and the stability of spacetime under extreme conditions. Even theoretical work helps refine our understanding of the cosmos and inspires technologies that may be unimaginable. Today, wormholes also transform how we think about space and time. If they exist, they could connect not only distant locations, but different eras, enabling theoretical travel across time as well as space. This concept challenges human intuition, suggesting that movement is not limited to the conventional progression of time and space, and that communication or travel across vast distances could happen instantaneously under certain extreme conditions. The implications for exploration, astrophysics, and our understanding of causality are staggering. Even if the practical use of wormholes remains purely theoretical for now, studying wormholes encourages critical thinking about the nature of reality. Time, once assumed to flow linearly and universally, becomes flexible, variable, and dependent on gravity and motion. Relativity predicts that time can dilate under high velocity or strong gravitational fields. And wormholes provide a natural extension of this idea, linking spacetime in ways that seem almost magical, yet our mathematically consistent theoretical models force scientists to reconcile these possibilities with the observable universe, highlighting the interplay between imagination, mathematics, and physical laws. Even without practical implementation, wormholes have spurred enormous progress in theoretical physics. They inspire research into negative energy, quantum field interactions, black hole interiors, and the fundamental geometry of space-time. Computer simulations and mathematical modeling allow scientists to explore extreme relativistic scenarios, test the stability of hypothetical structures, and refine our understanding of gravity and causality. Wormholes bridge general relativity and quantum theory in ways that are not just academically fascinating, but crucial for understanding the ultimate limits of physics. In conclusion, wormholes remain among the most fascinating possibilities in modern science. They are hypothetical, yet mathematically grounded structures that reveal the flexibility and strangeness of spacetime. They challenge our understanding of gravity, energy, time, and causality, while human time travel through a wormhole may be far beyond current capability. Studying these structures provides invaluable insights into the universe's deep structure, extreme physics, and the possibilities allowed by the laws of nature. Wormholes inspire imagination, advance scientific thought, and remind us that the cosmos is a place full of mysteries waiting to be explored, stretching human curiosity beyond the limits of ordinary experience and inviting us to dream bigger than ever before.